Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. Today's video is about how to grow Helichrysum flower from seeds, also known as Strawflower or everlasting flower, and paper daisy. These flowers are famous for their papery texture and long-lasting beauty. Helichrysum is a hardy annual flowering plant that blooms in vibrant colors like yellow, orange, red, pink and white. It grows well in pots, grow bags and garden beds, making it a perfect choice for home gardeners. In this video I'll show you everything step by step, starting from seed selection to successful seed germination. So let's begin. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. First of all, let's discuss about the germination requirement of these seeds. So the ideal temperature range for successful germination is in between 18 to 22 degrees Celsius or 65 to 72 degree Fahrenheit. These seeds need indirect light to germinate, so you can cover the seeds lightly. Seeds will take 7 to 14 days to germinate at the ideal temperature range, but can take more time if the conditions are not optimal. So let's talk about the potting mix for starting the seeds. Here I am reusing potting mix prepared last season, but you cannot just directly reuse it. You have to treat it first, and I've already documented the whole process. You may check that video. Link would be there on the screen and in the description as well. If you want to use fresh potting mix, then I just convey potting mix which I normally prepare and use. So I'm using these ingredients: 1 part garden soil, 1 part coco peat, 1 part vermicompost, 1/4 part neem khali, 1/4 part vermiculite and 1/4 part perlite. So now just mix them well. I'm going to use this 6-inch plastic pot with holes at the bottom for drainage to grow the seeds in. Let's fill the mix in it. Now just water it thoroughly and let it sit overnight to let the mix settle down and absorb the water. This is after a day. Soil has already settled down. Now with the help of any tool, just till the upper layer of the mix. These are Helichrysum seeds. If you want, you can also purchase these and lots of other seeds online at a very low price. I've already made a video regarding this. So we'll share the details of that video and the seller in the description. Now just spread the seeds on the mix. Cover the seeds slightly with the mix. Spray some water. I'll keep this box in a semi-shaded location Depending upon your climatic condition and time of the year, you may keep the pot in full shade or under open sunlight. But the important point is to always keep the potting mix moist. This is the result after 7 days. Few seedlings have started to come out. This is after few more days. Many seedlings are growing now. This is the status of one of my pot which I have sown around 20 to 25 days ago. So after almost 25 odd days of sprouting, your Helichrysum plants will look like this. This is it for now. Stay tuned for the next update on this series. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.